Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're in Palembang. I forgot to mention in the last video, but they've got a really well set up metro here. It goes all over the city, you can get trains everywhere. I'm at the Amorous Hotel, just eating my breakfast, having an omelette and toast this morning. And then we'll get packed and we're heading towards the Java Ferry. We're about 8 hours ride away, Google Maps hours that is. Never really judged from Google Maps hours, but it should be a couple of days ride. So in this video, we should make it to the ferry, I hope. Hey guys, we're all loaded, ready to go. This guy here keeps chatting to me in Indonesian. Friendly, happy man, but I got no idea what he's saying. But yeah, we're gonna head towards the ferry, as I said. Maybe it's 9.5 hours, so it might take me 3 days, depends how lazy I am. Hotel was pretty good. Amorous Hotel. Nice people, but this is Indonesia, guys. Everyone's nice. When I talk about 9.5 hours, you think, oh, how could he not do 9.5 hours in 2 days? But that's Google Maps hours, guys. You never know. 9.5 could mean 12 or 13, or it could mean 7 or 8. The 7 or 8 part's pretty rare. It's usually either pretty close or way above. I even get some bulldog clips, which they did have, and I got interviewed again. So what nice people. So yeah, now my bag, it looks a bit stupid. It's got 5 bulldog clips, but at least people can't stick their hand in and take my wallet and shit. Now I don't have to worry. If I see a bag shop, I can buy a new bag. But if I don't have to stress. I can just get these miles up today. And we're crossing another bridge. I don't think this is the third bridge we saw yesterday. I think this is another part of the river. But I could be wrong. Another incredible mosque, guys. I suppose it's the same in Australia with churches, but it really does get me that they have these gorgeous, gorgeous mosques and everyone's living in poverty. But that's how religion works, I guess. All religions. Please don't think I'm insulting Islam any more than I am insulting any religion. So I think we should get a better view of this from here. Yes, that is the whole mosque, all this land. Oh guys, look at that, just gorgeous. And look at this, guys. The life I get to lead. Bit of traffic now, which is driving me, well actually that's exaggeration, I don't care. But we'll get past here shortly, be back in the country road. We've done maybe an hour today. I want to try and get 5 hours, Google Maps hours that is. I want to try and get 5 up today. I said this a couple of videos ago, but I really take my hat off to these guys driving these big semi-trailers on these roads, this traffic. It would really drive me a little bit insane. Yeah, this whole village in these old houses. Beautiful. I don't want to jinx myself, but I've been getting a lot of this today. Beautiful roads, no traffic. I've got about 2.5 hours up so far. I want to do about 5 or 6 today. Nothing happens in a hurry here. So slow. When I go into Indomaret or Alphamart, drives me insane sometimes because it's just so slow, the whole process. I've got no idea what this is, but that's pretty impressive, whatever it is. It must be still under construction. Yeah, well, there's a few hotels in this town, guys. The one I found on Google Maps, just up the road here. We'll go and check that one out, but if we don't like it, there's a few others I've just gone past. Oh, this is where we're staying tonight, on that maybe getting on to 5 hours, Google Maps hours. I think it's maybe 2 o'clock maybe, so I've done maybe 6.5, maybe 6 real hours. I need to remember to look at the time when I leave. Well guys, I think this will do. Nothing flash, but at least the bike will be safe. I've just got to find the front office, which I think might be just here. There was no one at that hotel. Even the guy came from the shop that's connected to the hotel, and he tried ringing them and everything. So I ended up staying here at the Shahabat Hotel. About 14 US a night, comfy as anything, great Wi-Fi, really good. I Netflixed all night. But now guys, we're about 4.5 hours from the ferry, so let's get those 4.5 hours done. And away we go guys. Java, here we come. Well, we won't get the ferry today, we'll get the ferry tomorrow at the earliest, but we should be at the ferry today. Well, at least the ferry port. You know that smell that you get from when you stand in dog poo? It doesn't smell the same unless it's been sitting there for a while and you stand in it and release that soft stuff in the middle. Sorry guys, being so graphic. I keep smelling that for the last few days, and I started to get paranoid I'd trod in something. Then I started to get paranoid I'd dropped my helmet in something, and I knew I hadn't, but I've just realised it's the durian harvest. That's what I can smell. Fucking horrible, even riding past. Well guys, every now and again I come over the top of the hill and get greeted like something like this. Oh my god. Oh guys, I nearly said the F word there. I try not to. I know in the flooding video I said it a lot, but wow, unbelievable. Woohoo! And I've only been on the road maybe 20 minutes, so what a start to the day. Well, I don't know what chemicals I'm breathing in. That factory there's got smoke pumping out of it. The whole area is full of smoke. Oh, another one up here. Yeah, it smells like chemicals. Glad I don't live in this area. Well, it might have been marijuana smoke. No, not really. I don't feel stoned, but it made me really hungry. The hotel I was at didn't have breakfast, so they gave me a cup of coffee though. So I think I got 20 minutes till my fuel stop. I think I might do that and try and find some breakfast. Well, Google Maps brought me this way. The road signs went the other way, so I think even though this might be quicker on paper, I was probably better off going the other way, because I was sitting on like 80 kilometers an hour there. Here I'm doing about 30 or 40, but we'll see, and this is going to be a lot more fun, so we shall see if I've made a mistake or not. I'm pretty sure this way is going to take longer, but I'm kind of glad I came this way. It's going to be a much more exciting trip than sitting on that nice blacktop. But I was just thinking to myself how nice it was to have that blacktop. But anyway, we're here now. I couldn't find my way back to that highway if I wanted. Well, I could put Palembang into the Google Maps, but I'm not going to bother. This is the way Google Maps said, so we'll trust it. Well, we're back on the same road. Google Maps just cut off a bit of a triangle, so now I get it. Have faith in Google Maps, guys. It was, I believe, an Australian invention, so I should have more faith in it. I'd like to say that was the last fuel in Sumatra, but if you remember when I was in Nepal I said that. I had to turn around and go all the way back to the other side of Nepal. So I'm not going to say that was the last fuel in Sumatra. And guys, our first real look at the coast. Now somewhere up here, within the next 15-20 minutes, is the ferry port. So I'll go and get some information on tomorrow's ferries, and then we'll find a hotel. Well, there's a bunch of ships, ferry looking things just over here to the left, so I think we're nearly at the ferry port. I haven't seen a hotel though, so we'll stick hotels near me into booking.com. See what we come up with. I put the name of this town into it last night and there was nothing. It didn't even recognise the name of the town, but maybe it's got a different name. Oh guys, this is where I stayed. Look at this. Just waiting for my breakfast now. We've included in the price. It's the Kedas homestay. Really nice, guys. It wasn't cheap. It was about $22 US, 23, but it was good. And where it is, there's no other hotels, and the ferry's like 10 minutes down the road, so you pay for what you get. And yeah. Now I'm just waiting for my breakfast, and then we'll head off. Get the ferry to Java. Woohoo! And before I sign off, I just want to give you one more look at this. Look where I'm eating my breakfast. Amazing. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can, and we'll see you in the next one.